Hey everyone, Ian here, Manershed Media. All right, this is the third installment from Chateau de Terry's place. So again, I don't know the sequence of the videos that were coming, but we're definitely did the Mercury first. We definitely did the 78. Now we're on the 81. So this truck, original interior, I'll show you that also. Original mileage. This one here has some more options. This one's been stripped down completely. I don't know if there's a square inch that hasn't been touched on this truck. It is gorgeous. It is white with a touch of chromes. Very elegant, if we can say that about a Chevy square body truck. But I don't know. There's the wheel combination that's got the Chevy rally wheels on it, not your typical Silverado or GMC truck wheels. So we'll walk around, and then we got a surprise in the back for you. I'm not going to tell you what that is. You got to wait. So stay tuned. Okay, so 81 GMC Sierra Classic. This one has air tilt cruise, and the cruise works. Believe that one or not. These systems are finicky at best, but cruise works, AC works. I'll open the hood here in a second. I am going to show you again. It's got the antenna in the windshield. I don't know if you can see it that well, but the button on the bottom, the two lines go up. GM, again, synonymous with that. Now, I did say I was going to show you the back end, so I'm going to show you the back end right away. You waited long enough. It's fender skirts, handmade, formed fender skirts. Now, I personally have never seen another Chevy truck with. Now, there's probably somebody out there in the land of the internet that has done this also, but I just think it adds to, again, what I said, the elegance of this white truck. We have the chrome, the factory wheel well moldings, and it just fits wonderfully. And I think it not that it hides the wheel. I mean, the wheels are beautiful too, but it just looks different. I mean, the 50s and some of the early 60s cars had these cars, not trucks, but it's just something different, that it's not just your, we'll say, standard square body truck, I guess. So it adds that extra little bit of eye candy to it. Filled in the squares here, nice smooth, I guess, top of the fleet sides. Now this one here, like I said before, original interior. So we have original door panels, original carpet on the bottom of the doors, original carpet seats. I mean, that's what original means, of course. So AM 8-track, AM FM cassette, dual tanks, that work, which I probably deleted more than I've ever fixed in my fixing career. 70,429 for kilometers. Now that would be interior. I would say the rest of the truck, as beautiful as it is, has all been redone. So it's got exhaust. I'll show you quickly underneath, but it is just done very, very nice. This truck is really, really straight. The chrome is beautiful. I mean, this is showroom condition for sure. The gentleman who did this spent some serious time making it perfect, which when you're looking, whether you're looking to buy these for driving purposes only, or you're buying them for an investment, or you're buying them just to look at it, doesn't necessarily matter. Whatever you decide to do is totally fine. But this one had been massaged to look amazing, and it shines. The video probably doesn't even do it any justice. If you ever see this in person, this truck is really nice condition. Now, the other vehicles we've been doing, they all have external latches. This one has the inside hood release, or the in the cab hood release. I could have popped it when I had the door open before, but we'll do it now. Doors close beautifully. Okay. Underneath the hood, your standard, again, not basic, but your original unmolested 350. We have the jack, the tire iron. We have all the tubing here. Air conditioning. It's really, like I said, untouched. I love the Survivor part of this stuff. There's your cruise control unit. The air or the vacuum pod that pulls back on the carburetor to hold it. There's your air conditioning compressor. Power steering, power brakes. Like I said, this would be the leveled up one. So many of these trucks, and I mentioned this before, they were bought and used as farm trucks. That's what you had back in the day. You had Chevy, Ford. Again, where I grew up, it was Chevy or Ford. There was very few Dodge trucks around. Maybe different out here. Not that it matters, but you just used them. And they got beat up, and this one did not. So again, it's wonderful. The sticker is still basically no wear on it too, with the emissions label and all that. I mean, this thing is just really, really well kept, and it will be for probably, the rest of its life. It's going to be just enjoyed and appreciated and shown and driven. So anyway, thanks again, Terry, for access to the shed, their shop. This is not a shed. This is a shop. This is a man cave. I was saying I'd sit in the middle, sit in a rocking chair and just kind of sit here and look at everything for hours on end for sure. But anyway, and yeah, so thanks again. Thanks again, everybody, for watching in YouTube land. Like, share, subscribe, like always. But thank you for everything, and we'll catch you on YouTube sooner than later. Bye for now.